The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Anas, Ankur, Janvi, Simran, Amisha, Nikhil, Sandeep, and rest of you. Is the voice clear to everyone? Okay, good. So let's start, guys. This is block 4, geometry, important block. Those who have done it earlier, they need not to attend it again because I'm going to take the same questions or same topics. So those who have not done it earlier, these sessions are basically meant for those. Even if you want to repeat it, I do not have any problem. Okay, so geometry, as I was talking about, geometry is a block 4 topic, important block. At least 7 to 8 questions appear every year based on geometry alone. So do it religiously, and this is not more than 9th, 10th NCRT. But obviously, the question will not be direct. Like NCRT, in most of the question are based on proof. Here you have to apply those proofs, right? So if I divide the topics here in block 4, the topics are triangles, circles, quadrilaterals, polygon, and mensuration. So I'm going to take at least 6 to 7 classes based on all the topic. I've divided individually triangle, circles, but obviously when we'll do circles, we'll club triangle as well with circles. When we do quadrilaterals, we'll combine both triangle and circles, right? So I'm going to start with very basics, and the advantage here in case of triangles, I'm going to discuss one theory and then we'll do questions, right? I'm not going to teach all the theory together. So here the advantage is you have to just apply only that particular theory in the questions. So that should be easier for you. If I ask you what is the basic property of triangle? Triangle is a three-sided figure, closed figure. What is the basic property of triangle? Means what is the sum of angles? What is the vertical opposite angle? All these things. What is the sum of the angle? It's 180. So let's say two angles are given 72 and 59. What is the third angle? What is the third angle? Good. Two, three different answer for this simple question. 48, 59, 49. Three different answer. Simple question. Again, at least two different answer. 49, 59, 48. Add to सही करो. 72 plus 59. 72 plus 59 is 131. If you add it correctly, this is 131. This angle will be 180 minus 131, which is 49, not 59. So sum of all the angle is 180. I'm starting from this basic. Sum of angle is 180. Vertical opposite angles are equal. So if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. Third thing, the angle made on a straight line is 180. So if this angle is theta, this angle will be 180 minus theta. The angle made on a straight line is 180. So here, if you see, if this angle is theta, can you say this angle is 180 minus theta? Because this is a straight line. So if this angle is theta, this angle is 180 minus theta. This angle is 180 minus theta, so this angle will be theta. This angle is theta, this angle will be 180 minus theta. Again, the vertical opposite angle are coming same. Siddhant is saying screen is lagging. Is it so, guys? Is it any problem with the screen or voice? Okay, most of the people are saying no. Shristi and Siddhant only are facing problem. So might be your connection, guys. Otherwise, most of the people are saying no problem. In between, okay. Might be Siddhant, otherwise it cannot be because the speed is coming out to be around 43 Mbps. So that should not be a problem from my side. Okay. Now the fourth thing you need to remember that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of the angle is 360. If this angle is 71, this angle is 48, this angle is 148, let's say, this angle is 109. So what about this angle? ये तो बहुत simple हो गया. What about this angle? Again, two answers. Calculation should be correct, guys. Three different answers. Do you know that? Three different answers for this question or nothing? It is just calculation mistake. 32, 42, 52. Three different answer. The correct answer is 32, guys. Can't we add quickly 71 plus 109? Rather adding these three angle in the same order, you should have added these two angle, which is 180. So the remaining angle should be 180. So if this is 148, this angle is clearly 32. Yes, Gopal. As I told in the beginning, those who have done it earlier, they need not to attend it again because this is just a repetition of those classes which we have done it earlier. This is for new students, not for all. Okay. So you may leave those who have done it. Okay. So let's see. No minute. We just started. Four things I told you. Sum of the angle is 180. Vertical opposite angles are equal. Sum of the angles on a straight line is 180 and sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So I'm giving the question based on these four properties only. You need not to think more than that. You need to just think based on these four things. Straight line angle 180. This is same, some 360 and some 180. Now try some questions. No, Sushruth. Uh, book will be again. Book will be. The questions are different. Questions are not from book. You can practice from the book, but the questions are different. No problem, Chandrakamal. Try this. What is the value of y? Again, I'm saying calculation mistake should not be there. Chandrakamal, check your answer. Rest of you are correct. Kirtan, check your answer. Only two people are wrong till now. Rest of you are correct. Yes, Sushruth. No, Nitin. No, Shubham. Nitin is correct. Shubham, y, not x. Okay. So answer is 39 as most of you are getting. This is 42 plus 85. Now if you see this triangle, 42 plus 85 is coming out to be 127. So if I subtract 180 minus 127, I'll get 53. W is 53. X is irrelevant, Abhishek. Need not to find X. Is it necessary to find X to find the value of Y? No, in this question, as we know the vertical opposite angles are equal. So if this angle is 53, this angle is also 53. And sum of all the three angle has to be 180. So 88 plus 53 is coming out to be 141. So if summation is 141, the remaining angle will be 180 minus 40, 141. The answer is 39. I think Shubham get 141. 141 is this, Shubham. The summation of these two angles. So remaining angle will be 39. Simple, clear. So first do these questions, then we'll come to the next type. Try this. What is the value of y? What is the value of y? No, Ankur, check the answer. Rest of you are correct, guys. Now for finding the value of y, first need to find the value of x. So let's first check x. Now in this triangle, the sum of the angle has to be 180. So if I add these three and add like this, 3x plus x, 4x, 4x plus x, 5x. Minus 18 plus 7. Minus 18 plus 7 is minus 11. Minus 11 and minus 9, it's minus 20. So if I add these three angles, the summation is coming out to be 5x minus 20. And the summation is 180. So 5x is 200. X comes out to be 40 degrees. So first thing, we find the value of x. And once we find the value of x, now we can find the value of y after putting the value of x here. 40 plus 21 is 61. 40 plus 17 is 57. So if I add these two angles, the summation is coming out to be 118. So this angle is nothing. It is 180 minus 118. So what is the answer? Answer is 62. Abhishek, it's not 52. Shekhar, it's not 86. Ankur, it's not 78. Apurv also is getting 78. Got the mistake, guys. Do not make calculation mistake. I'm repeating again and again. This is very basic questions. So sum of the angle is 180. 5x is 200. X is 40. So x is 40. This is 61. This is 57. Summation is 118. This angle is 62. Answer. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अब नहीं करनी है अभिषेक एंड शेखर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ये बताइए, ट्राई वन मोर। Find out the value of v. Now for finding the value of v, first you need to find the value of x, y, z and w, all four. Then only you will get the value of v. One answer, v. Correct, all of you till now. Himanshu, Ankur, Shivangi, Anushka, Mehak, Tanuj, all correct. Nitin, correct. I told you four properties. You are going to use only those four, nothing else. Yes, Bhaskar. Nikhil, correct. Everyone should get it till now. Yes, Shivani. Janvi, correct. Jyoti, correct. Now let's have a look, guys. This is the time limit only. Now, if we see this triangle, 74 plus 55, the summation of these two angles is coming out to be 129. So if summation of these two angles is coming out to be 129, this angle Z will be 51. This step is clear. From this triangle, we get the value of Z. Z is coming out to be 51. I'm writing it here. No, Chandrakamal. Rest of you are correct. Now, vertical opposite angles are equal. So if this angle is 115, this angle will also be 115. X is 115. The angle made on a straight line is 180. So if this angle is 45, this angle has to be 135. 180 minus 45 has to be 135. Now, this angle is 115, this angle is 135, this angle is 51. And in this quadrilateral, we know sum of the angle has to be 360. So 115 plus 135. This is 250. 250 plus 51, 301. So summation is 301 of these three angles. So remaining angle is W. 360 minus 301 comes out to be 59. So W comes out to be 59. Now, after getting W, you can find the value of V. In this triangle, the summation of angle has to be 180. 59 plus 72, that is 131. 59 plus 72 is 131. So V is nothing, it is 180 minus 131. So what is the answer? Answer is 49. So if your calculation is correct and if you are able to do it orally, then your answer will not take more than 40-50 seconds of these kind of questions. These are direct questions. Again, I'm repeating. These are very direct questions. So level will increase gradually. So at least do these questions correctly. Clear now, everyone? Chandrakamal, what your mistake? Come to the next. Do one more. Find out the value of m minus y. This is angle m. This is y. You have to find out m minus y. So calculate m, calculate y, then find the difference. No, Anushka. Varya is correct. Manchu is correct. Shivani is correct. Tanisha is correct. Chandrakamal is correct this time. No, Abhishek. M minus Y. No, Tripjot. No, Shivangi. No, Bhaskar. Yes, Nitin. No, Jyoti. Ipsa is correct. Avinash, no. Shushruth, no. Anushka, Amisha, Nikhil is correct. Ravina, it's 4. We need to know why many people are getting a wrong answer for this question. This is again simple. Now have a look, guys. M was very easy. What is M? The angle made on a straight line has to be 180. Jagrati, no. Tanuj and Shekhar are correct. The angle made on a straight line is 180. So this angle is 68. This angle M has to be 112. M to will get it directly. Now we need to find out the value of y. So for finding the value of y, first we need to find the value of x and z both. From here, can we find the value of x? In this triangle, the sum of the angle has to be 180. So 73 plus 183 is coming out to be 156. So if I subtract 180 minus 156, I'll get the value of x. That is coming out to be 24. X is 24 and m is 112. If this is 112 and this is 24, the summation of these two angles is 136. So what is z? Z is nothing, it is 180 minus 136. That is 44. So after getting z, now you can find the value of y. So this is 44, this is 64. Summation of these two angles is 108. If this is 108, y has to be 180 minus 108, which is 72. So if y is 72 and m is 112, what is the difference? I asked the difference, the answer is 40. Why so many different answers? 64, 72, 60, 96. 72 is y, Srishti and Bhaskar. But I asked m minus y. So m minus y is 40. Clear now? Any doubt in any of these four questions? Ask me quickly. Then we'll move to the next part. No doubt. But yeah. Okay, come to the next part, guys. Next property of triangle. Next property says if sides are equal, then angles are equal and vice versa. Let's say if two sides are equal, AB and AC. If AB and AC are equal, the angle in front of these two sides will be equal. If this angle is theta, this angle will also be theta. But if AB and BC are equal, the angle in front of AB and angle in front of BC will be equal. If this angle is theta dash, then this angle will be theta dash. So the sides which are equal, the angle in front of these two sides are equal. So if AB and BC are equal, this angle and this angle will be equal. And vice versa. Vice versa means if angles are equal, then sides are equal. If these two angles are given equal, then the sides in front of these two angles will also be equal. So if sides are equal, angles are equal, or if angles are equal, sides are equal. ये पता है सबको आता है. Nothing is new. And the second part is exterior angle. What is exterior angle? Exterior angle is when we extend a side. Let's say if this side is extended. So this angle is called an exterior angle. And this angle is equivalent to sum of interior opposite angle. So let's say if I name them A, B and C. So can you tell me the value of angle AC and D? What is that ACD angle will be there? ACD. This angle is nothing. It is sum of interior opposite angle. This angle will be equal to A plus B. If I extend this side, what about this angle? If I extend BA, this angle will be equal to B plus C. And similarly, if I extend this side, this angle will be equal to A plus C. Exterior angle अभी simple लग रहा है, दिखेगा नहीं. If you are able to see exterior angle quickly, then the question will be easier. So exterior angle generally doesn't strike that this is the exterior angle. So when we'll see the question, then you should be able to apply it. Shivani, you didn't get it? It is coming out to be after some time voice and screen is not matching. Okay, now this time many people are saying screen is not clear. Okay, if I've written A, B, and C, it is fine or not? Shivani, are you able to see? Here's a lag. Siddhant is also saying. What I'm saying if you extend a side, let's say if I'm extending this side BA, so this angle is called an exterior angle. DAC becomes an exterior angle, and this exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So if I name them small b and small c, this angle will be equal to b plus c. Shrishti is saying screen is lagging. What should I do, guys? Same problem. So some people are facing the same problem, screen lagging. Shivani and Shrishti, Siddhant, three people are facing problem. No one else. Janvi is also saying in between. So what should I do, guys? Four people are saying the screen is lagging. 56 people are saying screen is not lagging. What should I do? The majority is saying no problem. So if you say again and again the screen is lagging, then the rhythm will be useless na yaar for other people. क्या करें? You should re-log in. Shivani, Shristi, Siddhant, Janvi. Try to re-log in and then check. There is no problem from my side at least. Okay. So if this angle is A, this angle is B, this angle will be A plus B. This angle is A, this angle is C, so this angle will be A plus C. So two properties, I'm giving the question based on these two properties. Try this. This is very simple. Oral question, quickly tell me. What is the answer? No Ankur, no Tanuj, no Shekhar. Three answer, all three are wrong. Simple question. Ankur now it's correct. Chimanchu correct. Varya correct. Shivangi, read the question carefully. Siddhant no. Tanuj correct. Bhaskar correct. Bhaskar, there are two Bhaskar. Bhaskar D is wrong. Karishma, it's wrong. Apurv, it's wrong. Siddhant, it's wrong. Simple question, guys. Tanisha, it's wrong. Shubham, it's wrong. Tripjot, correct. Ipsa, correct. Srishti, it's wrong. Shivani, it's wrong. Shivani is correct. Abhishek is wrong. Rest if you're correct. Malvika, it's wrong. देखना ये simple question नहीं था. This was very simple, guys. देखो, look at here. If this angle is 40, this angle is 30, can you identify this angle? Can you say this angle is 70? Yes, Siddhant, 150 is definitely a wrong answer. Why 150? 150 is possible. If one of the angle is 40, can any of the angle be 150? Tanisha, if one of the angle is 40, can any of the angle be 140 of a triangle? It's not possible, no? देखो, this angle is 40, this is 30. How many people are able to identify this angle is 70 straight away without finding this angle? That's what I'm saying. You need to identify exterior angle quickly. If this angle is 30, this angle is 40, what about this angle, guys? This is an exterior angle, and this exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So you should have written it directly. Otherwise, if you're not able to see this angle directly, what you can do, you can find this angle first. 30 plus 40, 70. So this angle will be 110. If this angle is 110 and we know sum of the angle on a straight line is 180, so if this angle is 110, this angle will be 70. Otherwise, I want you to write this angle directly without finding this angle. Come to this triangle. These two sides are equal, so angle in front of these two sides will be equal. This is 70, so this is also 70. 70, 70, 140. So what about this angle? This is 40. Most of the people mark 40, but you did not read the question properly. I did not ask DBC, I asked ABC. So even if you're getting 40, this is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 70. I asked this angle, ABC. So ABC is 70. Simple question. I wanted you to write this angle correctly. Karishma, Bhagyashri, Abhishek, those who got it wrong earlier, Siddhant, Tanisha, now it is clear. Simple question. Any doubt? Okay. Try the next one. This is also easy. Find the value of x. Ankur, no. Rest of you are correct. Yes, Kavishi, Chandra Kamal. Shivangi, it's wrong. Correct. Good. Rest of you are going correct. Tripjot, it's wrong. Jyoti, it's wrong. Sandeep, it's wrong. Nitin, it's wrong. No Kirtan. No Ravina. No Anas. No Shivani. No Bhaskar. Malvika, it's wrong. No Anas. Rest of you are correct. The only name I'm taking is those who are getting wrong answer. Beneath, wrong. Simple question, guys. देखो. Calculation mistake again should not be there. No Varya. Karishma wrong. Bhargavi wrong. Look at the question, guys. What is the value of x? You need to find out CED angle, this angle. Look at here in this triangle. In triangle CAB, this angle is 30, this angle is 36. So can you see this angle is 66 directly now? 30 plus 36, this angle is exterior angle, this is 66. Are you able to see this quickly? If this angle is 66, this angle is 45. Again, if you see, I have extended this side BE. So what about angle X? Angle is like X is again an exterior angle of these two angles. So angle X you should have written directly. This is 66, this is 45, so this is 111. Yeah, Bhaskar. That's why I repeat now. I said there are two Bhaskars, Bhaskar S and Bhaskar D. There are two Bhaskars. So you do not worry. Your answers are mostly correct. The other Bhaskar is getting wrong. No. If this angle would have been X, then the answer is 69. So those who are getting it, this angle, they are thinking this angle I asked. I asked this angle, angle CAD. That is exterior angle. Clear now? Now this was easy question, guys. Now I'm starting the questions which will take time. This is not direct. Now look at the question. There is a cat question. The question is, there is a triangle ABC. AD is any line such that BD is equivalent to AD is equivalent to AC. These three sides are given equal. BA has been extended till E. This angle is given as 72 degree. EAC is given as 72 degree. You have to find out this angle. DAC बताना है आपको. Now tell me the answer. No, Tanisha, not that easy. The B 108 is this angle. This complete angle is 108. Angle BAC is 108, na? I asked DAC, this angle. No, Vinash, it is also wrong. Vineet, are you getting the question? Can it be 144? Tripjodit Strong, Himanshu Singh. This angle is 108, dear. This complete angle is 108. The angle made on a straight line is 180, na? So if this angle is 72, what about this angle? This angle is 108. But which angle I asked? I asked only this angle. So this angle cannot be 108. That is wrong. Till now, only two people get it correct. Three people now. Shivangi, Varya, and Ankur. Rest of you are wrong. Amisha, it's wrong. Janvi, it's wrong. Rahul and Gavishi are correct. No, Nikhil. Nitin is correct. Himanshu is correct now. No, Mac. Angle DAC. This angle. Okay, let's have a look. Yes, Tanuj. No, Bhaskar. Bhaskar S. It's wrong. Look at the triangle ABD, guys. In triangle ABD, Darsh is correct. Now stop writing. Look at the solution. This is a good question. Look at here. In triangle ABD, these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, the angle in front of these two sides will also be equal. So if this angle is x, can I say this angle is also x? This angle is x, so this angle is also x. Till here it is clear? Now, tell me, if this angle is x, this angle is x, what about this angle? If this angle is x, this angle is x, what about this angle? No, no. This x, so this angle is how much? 2x, exterior angle. Correct? Correct. Now come to this triangle. In triangle ADC, these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, the angle in front of this side and this side will also be equal. So if this angle is 2x, can I say this angle is also 2x? Now tell me this part is clear or not. Till here, any doubt you can ask me. Then I'll proceed. Any doubt, anyone? These two sides are equal, so these two angles will also be equal. So there are two different triangles. So you cannot take all the three angle x, x, x. There are two different triangles. So take x, x equal and take 2x, 2x equal. Bhaskar D. Bhaskar, in this triangle ABD, these two sides are equal, na? This side and this side are equal. This is given. AC equal to AD equal to BD. AC equal to AD equal to BD. Yeah, this is given in the question, Sandeep. So these two sides are equal. So only you can take these two angle equal. Huh? You cannot take all the three angle equal, Sandeep. There is two different triangle. This is a different triangle. This is a different triangle. You cannot take this angle is equal. This angle is equal. So side in front of AC will also be x. That is wrong interpretation. If this angle is x, this angle is x. This is 2x. So if this is 2x, this angle is also 2x. Now tell me, guys. I remove this angle. This angle is 2x, this angle is 2x. So can you tell me this angle is how much? This is 2x, this is 2x, so this is how much? Okay, so two people, three people got the mistake which I was expecting. Okay, now Siddhant, Amisha, Kirtan, look at here. If this angle is 2x, this angle is 2x, you can't take this angle as 4x. That is wrong. You can't take it as an exterior angle. This is not an exterior angle. If this side would have been extended, if DA has been extended, if DA would have been extended, then if this angle is 2x, this angle is 2x, this complete angle would have been 4x. Then you could have taken this angle as an exterior angle. Right now, if you can visualize, the side of this triangle is not extended. Any of the side is extended of this triangle? No. The side of BA has been extended. Are you getting it? What I'm trying to make you understand here? If BA has been extended, this angle 4x is wrong. So this angle is actually an exterior angle of triangle ABC. This angle is an exterior angle of ABC, not ADC. So now look at this angle is x, this angle is 2x, so this angle would have been 3x, not 4x. That is the question. That was I wanted you to write. Rather finding this angle, you could have written this angle 3x directly. This angle is x, this angle is 2x, so this angle will be 3x, and 3x is given as 72. So if 3x is given as 72, x will be 24. If x is 24, this angle will be 48. This angle will also be 48. 48 plus 48, 96. So this angle will be 84. That is the answer. Ask me quickly if any of the part is not clear to anyone. Quickly. Otherwise, as I said earlier, if you're not able to see this angle as 3x directly, what you could have done it, you could have taken this angle as, this angle is 2x, this angle is 2x, so this angle will be 180 minus 4x. If you're not able to find this angle directly, this is 2x, this is 2x, so this will be 180 minus 4x. Now look at this angle. This angle given as 72. Now we know the angle made on a straight line is 180. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle has to be 180. So summation of these two angles has to be 108 because this is 72. So if you add these two, again you will get the same answer. This is 108. So 3x comes out to be 72. X minus 4x is 3x. So 3x will be 72. X will be 24. So if you are not able to see this directly, you could have written this step extra. X plus 180 minus 4x is 108. From here you will get this statement. Bhaskar D. This is the other method. If you cannot see 3x directly, you can apply this. X plus 180 minus 4x is 108. Okay, come to the next. One more question based on exterior angle. This is also CAT question, guys. Question is, in triangle ABC, AD is equivalent to DE is equivalent to EF is equivalent to FC is equivalent to CB. All the sides are given equal. AD, DE, EF, FC and CB are given equal. This angle is given as, FCB is given as 12 degree. You have to find out this angle. You have to find out angle BAC. Apurv, that too simple, na? But before getting that equation, before getting that 3x equal to 72, if you're not able to see that 3x directly, then I have written x plus 180 minus 4x is 108. Once you get x, तो फिर तो simple ही है ना? Himanshu, if you've done it earlier, do not say the answers. Find out angle BAC. No, Kavishi. Yes, Varya. Yes, Shivangi. Yes, Ankur. No, Srishti. Angle BAC. Go step by step. You will get the answer. Look at the exterior angle carefully. If you are able to see exterior angle carefully, then you will get it. Yes, Tanuj and Rahul. Yes, Chandrakamal. Now have a look, guys. Let's discuss. Now, as I said, go step by step. There are three, four triangles involved in this one question. So take one triangle at a time and then proceed. Let's say in this triangle, if you're able to see these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, the angle in front of these two sides will also be equal. So if this angle is x, this angle is also x. Now, if this angle is x, this angle is x, can you tell me this angle quickly? This is x, this is x. So what about this angle? 2x. Exterior angle? Everybody can see now. X, x. So this angle will be 2x. Very good. Now in this triangle, if these two sides are equal, this angle is 2x, so this angle will also be 2x. If this angle is 2x, this angle will also be 2x. Till here, I'm sure there should not be any problem. No, Nikhil. Now look at the answer. This is 2x, this is 2x. So can I say this angle is 4x? 2x, 2x. So can I say this angle is 4x? Exterior angle. Yes or no? Good. It is no. Because if this side would have been extended, then this angle will be 4x. Right? Very good. Now you are able to see. So which side has been extended? AE has been extended. So if AE has been extended, this angle will be exterior angle of this bigger triangle FAE, not DFE. So here this angle is 2x, this angle is x, so this angle will be 3x. 2x, x, so this angle will be 3x. This 3x is clear to anyone? Everyone? Any doubt here till here? 2x plus x, so this is 3x. Now again, in this triangle, these two sides are equal. So this angle is 3x. So this angle will also be 3x. 3x, so this is also 3x. Now again, if this is 3x, this is 3x, I cannot say this angle will be 6x. 6x again, if this side would have been extended, then this complete angle would have been 6x. So now tell me, this angle is how much? You tell me. This angle is how much? Which side has been extended? Very good. Very good. This side AF has been extended. So this angle is the exterior angle of FAC. No one is. Why 2x? This angle. This angle is the exterior angle of this bigger angle. Na? So this angle is 3x. This is x. So this angle is 4x. 3x, x, 4x. So these two sides are equal. So this angle is also 4x. And we know in this triangle, the sum of all the three angles is 180. So this angle is 12. So this remaining angle is 8x. 4x how? Karan, देखो. Till here it is clear, Karan. 3x is clear. Now look at this angle. This angle is exterior angle of after extending this side. AF has been extended. If AF has been extended, so look at this angle. This angle FAC in this triangle FAC. This angle is the exterior angle of this triangle, na? Bigger triangle. F is 4x from DFE. F is 4x, huh? F is 4x, obviously. Bhaskar D. From DEF. How come from DEF you can say this angle is 4x? This is 2x, this is 2x, so this is 4x. What is the logic? This is a different triangle, this is a different triangle. Apurv. EFA. EFA is angle CFB. This angle CFB. Why? Vertical opposite angle you are talking about. No, vertical opposite angle is a different thing. Vertical opposite angle is when two sides cross each other. Then these angle called vertical opposite. Here, this angle and this angle, from where you are able to see vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle तो तब होता है when these two sides are extended. Then these sides cross each other. Then this angle and this angle would have been equal when they cross each other. Right now it is not 2x. This is not vertical opposite angle anyhow. Okay, so this angle is exterior angle of FAC. Karan, this is x, this is 3x, so this is how come 3? ज्योति मैं एक एक स्टेप जा रहा हूँ यार इसीलिए अब तुम पूछो how come 3x. 3x, this angle is the exterior angle of this angle ना FAE का. This is 2x, this is x, so this is 3x. ज्योति, when I ask 3x it is clear or not, then only I proceed to 4x na. So 3x equal. Now this is 3x, this is x, so this is 4x. This is 4x, so this is also 4x. 4x plus 4x, 8x. 8x is equivalent to 168 because all the three angle has to be 180. So remaining angle is 168. X comes out to be 21. And what do I need? I need x only. So what is the value of x? X is 21. Clear now to everyone? Any doubt, any angle you can ask me. This is a typical question based on exterior angle. So go step by step, then you will get it. Yeah, Tanisha. Okay. For confusion, yeah. From where again you can start from any of the triangle and then proceed. You cannot start from the last end. If you start from the last end, then you will stuck here. You will get 84, 84, and then after that nothing. So it's better to take one triangle at a time and then proceed. Okay, I'm giving certain question based on these properties, and then we'll come to the next properties. First, do these four questions quickly. The figure is given. P is a point inside. So this is the question number 1. All the 5 angles. This is a question number 3 figure. And this is a question number 4th figure. Question number two figure is not given, so you have to draw it from your side. Do all the four questions, post the answer in a single post, then we'll discuss. You have around 5 minutes. Should be done. Tanuj, this rule is not there. Tanuj is saying BPC is half of BSc. That kind of rule was not there anywhere. BPC is not half, it is double if it is a center and if it is a circle. Right now, if circle is not given, so you cannot find any relation between these two angles as such. Use triangles property only. No circle involved right now. Do all three Tripjot, all four, post in a single post all the answer in a single post, then we'll discuss. Ipsa, first is wrong. Second and third are correct. Ankur, first is wrong. Second and third are correct. Second to I think we have done it earlier. So second to hatai do. Second to we have already done it, na? Second I am removing it. Second no need to solve. We have done it already. So just do first, third, and fourth. Tanisha, we have already done second question. That was 70. Second is same, same, exactly same. No value change. Shivangi is correct till now. Just check the fourth one. First and third are correct. No, Shristi. First is wrong. Third is correct. Yes, Ankur. No, all three are correct. Do the last one. Fourth one. Karan, first is wrong. Third is wrong. Fourth is wrong. Only second is correct, which we've already done it. Himanshu, fourth is wrong. Rest are correct. Mehak, third is wrong. Rest two are correct. Yes, Ankur. Yes, Darsh. Okay, should we discuss it, guys? I think two, three people get it correct. All three. Easy questions. Bhaskar, first is wrong. Third is correct. Master D. Most of the people are not getting the fourth question. It was easy. Jyoti, third is wrong. You cannot take 90, Jyoti. Some people take it 90 this angle. That is a common wrong answer. Some people are getting 45 because they are assuming it is a 90 degree. You cannot assume this angle as 90. That is a wrong interpretation. Karan also got 45. No, Ipsa. Okay, last 2 minutes. Quickly finish it. Try fourth one again. Only one or two guy got it correct. No, Shekhar. Wrong. Yes, Rahul. Yes, Chandrakamal. Do the fourth one. No, Siddhant. No, Tanuj. Shekhar, fourth is wrong. Last one is the easiest among all. Last one is the easiest among all. Yes, Mehak. Good. Okay, let's have a look quickly. Then the first question, I'm solving all three of them quickly. P is a point inside ABC. BAC, this angle is given as 50 degree. PBA is given as 20 degree. PCA is given as 35 degree. And you need to find out this angle. Now, rather finding or rather making equation and then finding this angle and this angle individually, this is a single line question. This angle plus this angle plus this angle has to be 180. These two angles are missing. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle, let's say I name them A and B. So can I say 50 plus 20 plus 35, which is 105, plus A plus B has to be 180. If I add all the three angles, this angle plus this angle plus this angle, that is 50 plus 20 plus 35, which is 105, plus A plus B has to be 180. So A plus B comes out to be 75. If A plus B is 75, what about this angle? This angle is 105. That is the question. So first answer is 105. Some people got 125, some people got 145 even. This is clear now to everyone. Any doubt in the first question? Now look at the third one. Third one, these angles are given equal. So let's say again, you can assume anything. Let's say I assume all these angles is A. So tell me, if this angle is A and this angle is also A, what about this angle? If this angle is A, this angle is A, what about this angle? If you're able to see. This angle is A, this angle is A, this side has been extended. So can you see this is 2A, exterior angle? सिर्फ single line का question था, if you are able to see this. This angle is A, this angle is A, so this angle is clearly 2A, exterior angle. If this angle is 2A, this angle is A, can you tell me this angle? This angle is 2A, this angle is A, so this angle is how much in this triangle? 3A. This is 2A, this is A, so this is 3A. And now you have all the three angles of a triangle. So 3A plus A plus A, the summation of these three angles has to be 180. So 5A is 180. So A is how much? A is 36. So some people are getting 30, they are taking 6A. This is not 6A. This is 5A. So A plus 3A, that comes out to be 5A. 5A is 180. So A comes out to be 36. 3A, how? Karan, again, exterior angle here. This angle is 2A. This angle is A. What about this angle? Karan, तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन कर लिए हमने. Exterior angle, sum of interior opposite angle. Look at the fourth one. Very few people get it fourth correct. Otherwise, it was the easiest question. Look at here. OA bisects angle A. What does it mean? OA bisects angle A? Yes, Chandrakamal. OA bisects angle A means these two angles are equal. OA bisects angle A. So this angle is A, this angle is also A. And ABO is equal to OCA. ABO is equal to OCA. This angle is B. So this angle is also B. This angle is given as 100. We need to find out angle AOB. This angle we need to find out. Now, one thing you should remember for these kind of question or for further also, if two angles are equal of two triangles, these two angles are equal, these two angles are also equal, so the third angle, the remaining angle also has to be equal. Did you get it? What did I say? If two of the angles are equal, this angle is A, this angle is B, and there is another triangle whose two angles are also equal. So the third angle automatically has to be equal now. This angle also will be 180 minus A plus B. And this angle will also be 180 minus A plus B. So in this question, this angle and this angle are equal. That part is clear. And we know that angle on a point, the complete angle on a point is 360 degree. If this angle is given as 100, the remaining angle will be 260. And in this 260, these two angles will be equal. So these two angles are how much? 130 each. बस खत्म हो गया क्वेश्चन. That is the answer. You need not to find anything. This angle and this angle is equal. The angle made on a center or a point is 360 degrees. So this is 100. So this is 230. 260. So if this is 260, these two angles are equal. So 130 each. Good, Chandrakamal. Thank you. Last question again, Anurag. देख मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. I'm saying if you're able to see two triangles AOB and triangle AOC. One of the triangle is AOB and another triangle AOC. This angle A is equal, na? A and B and C are also equal. B and C are also equal, BB. So tell me what is the third angle if you do it normally. The third angle is 180 minus these two angles. And similarly here, in this case, this angle will also be 180 minus these two angles. So what I'm saying, you need not to write it even. You should know that if two angles are equal of two triangles, the third angle automatically has to be equal, na? So this angle and this angle is equal, and this complete angle on a center is 360 degree. This angle is given as 100, so remaining angle is 260. And in 260, this angle and this angle is equal. So each angle is how much? Each angle is 130. So that's we need to find out. So answer is 130. Anurag. Clear now? Should we move to the next part, guys? Next theory. Good. Fourth one, Bhaskar. What is the easiest way? When do we need to find out the other way? We find the other way when the previous way is the lengthier or previous way is the difficult. If the previous way is the shortest way, then we need to find the any other way. The any other way will be definitely, but it will be a longer way. It cannot be the shorter than this. So why should I find the another way? There may be certain way. Make equation or add all the angles. You will definitely get this angle. But I'll not do that because I can do it directly. Okay, so come to the next part, guys. Now, let's say if I ask you if all the three sides of a triangle are equal, this triangle is called, if all the three sides are equal, this triangle is called an equilateral triangle, correct? If all the three sides are equal, this triangle is an equilateral triangle. And if two sides are equal, then this triangle is called isosceles triangle. So what about this triangle? This triangle is an कैसा triangle है ये? Very quickly tell me, this triangle is it which triangle? No guys, no. This is not a triangle. This is not a triangle. And that is the next property. The next property of triangle says that sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. The sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. It cannot be equal to third side. If I give you the side 4, 4, 8, you cannot draw a triangle. It will be a open triangle kind of thing. It will not be a closed figure. So if two sides are 4 and 8, this cannot be a triangle. So the next property of a triangle, which is an important property of a triangle, is the sum of two side is greater than the third side. Any two side. So if the sides are A, B, and C, sum of A plus B should be greater than C. It cannot be even equal. The sum of A plus C should be greater than B, and sum of B plus C should be greater than A. So based on this property, many question has been asked directly. How the question will be asked? The question will be asked like this: if two sides of a triangle are 7 and 13 centimeter, and third side is x, where x is a natural number, how many values x can take? how many values x can take? If third side is an integer, how many values x can take? No, Bhaskar and Shekhar both are wrong. Tanisha is also wrong. Now some people are getting 13, 14, 20. Bhaskar's S is getting 20 now. 18 Sandeep. One Apurv. Apurv is saying only one answer. How many values x can take? So many different answers. 19, 13, 14, 20, 1, 18, infinity. Very good. Who is that? Siddhant. Siddhant, can this side be 100? अभी क्या बोला मैंने? Sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. So can it be more than 20, Siddhant? Logically. Then how can the answer be infinity? More than 20 all. Jyoti. Can it be 21? If it will be 21, then side triangle is not possible. Jyoti, it's reverse. Okay. So those who are getting 19, they are also wrong, guys. They are saying that because sum of two sides should be greater than the third side, so third side should be less than 20. So less than 20 means you can take all the values from 1 to 19. That is also wrong. You cannot take 1. Can you take 1? If you take 1, the third side will be 7, 13 and 1. Now in that case, sum of these two sides will not be greater than the third side. So you have to limit both the ways, not only from x point of view, you have to look from the point of view of 13 also. So now look at the correct solution. If two sides are 7 and 13 and third side is x, tell me quickly which is the longest side. Which is the longest side? Correct? Which is the longest side? 7 definitely cannot be the longest side. The longest side can be either 13 or x. X can be also longest side. Now if x is longest side, sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. You will write it like this. Sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. Means 20 should be greater than x. Or you can say x is less than 20. If x is less than 20, what can be the maximum value of x? 19. X cannot be more than 90 because if x is 20, the triangle is not possible. Now, if the longest side is 13, then you will say sum of these two sides should be greater than the third side. Sum of these two sides should be greater than the third side. Then x should be greater than 6. 13 minus 7, 6. So if x is greater than 6, what is the minimum value of x? It is 7. It cannot be 6 even. Tripjot. If it is 6, again the triangle will not be possible. It should be greater. X should be greater than 6. Now the question is complete. X can be x, the minimum value can be 7, the maximum value can be 19. So x can take all the values from 7 to 19. How many values from 7 to 19? 13 values. And the easy way to count it, take the difference plus 1 straight away. Difference is 12 plus 1 because both the values are included. That is the answer, guys. So x can take how many values? X can take all the values from 7 to 19. Clear है सबको? Any doubt you can quickly ask me. So now tell me. Let's say if I give you two sides, 11 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Third side is x. Again, it is an integer or natural number. How many values x can take? Quickly. X can take how many values? Same question. One answer should be correct. X can take how many values? No Avinash. No Pramit. No Tripjot. No Bhaskar D. Shekhar wrong. Rest of you correct. Whose name I have not taken. No Karan. The rest of you correct. Good. Not possible. Nitin is saying not possible. Why Nitin? It's not possible. Two sides are 11 and 18. So why it is not possible? No Malvika. No Bhagishri. Yes Vidansh. No Anas. No Shivani. Yes, Ravishi, correct. Answer is 21, guys. 21 values. It's not 22, not 23. Answer is 21 values. Now, I'm reducing one more step. You can do it directly now. From now onwards, you need not to do it separately. You can write the answer in a single line. How? Whenever you see this kind of question, you need to just do this step. The third side is less than the sum of these two sides and greater than the difference of these two sides. Just write like this. Third side is less than the sum of the other two sides and greater than the difference of the other two sides. So x is less than 29 and greater than 7. So if x is less than 29, then can be maximum 28, and because it is more than 7, so it can be at least 8. So all the values from 8 to 28 is the answer. Those who are taking 7 and 29, they are getting 23. Most of the people are getting 23. 7 and 29 is not included. So you have to take from 8 to 28. How many values? Take the difference plus 1. 21 values. That is the answer. Yes, Shivangi. Correct. Yeah, definitely it is easy now, Ravina. You need not to do it again and again. You can do it in a single line now. Just write down this step. The third side is less than the sum of other two sides and greater than the difference. Clear to everyone now? So, I'm giving you one more question. Let's say ask you now, if two sides are 7 centimeter and 18 centimeter, third side is an integer or natural number, find the sum of all the possible values of x. ध्यान से sum of all the possible values of x. Sum of all the possible values, not number of values. First find the number of values and then find the sum with the help of AP. Jyoti, again the question is sum of all the possible values of x. Read the question properly. Okay, again so many different answers. 234, 210, 255, 164, plenty of different answers. Now look at here. The question is sum. So first find the number of values. X will lie in the range of less than the sum and greater than the difference. So X is lying in the range of 25 to 11. So all the values from 24 to 12 X can take. How many values X can take? 13 values. This part is clear to everyone. So less than the sum, greater than the difference. So 25 to 11, 24 to 12, 13 values. Now we need to find the sum. What is the sum of all the values from 12 to 24? It is an AP with a difference of 1. What is the sum of all the terms of an AP? If we know the first term, if we know the last term, if we know the number of terms, we can directly find the answer with this formula. N by 2, A plus L. First term plus last term into N by 2. So answer is directly is 13 by 2 into first term plus last term, which is 36. Answer is 18 into 13. 180 plus 54. Answer is 234. That is the answer. So after getting this, you have to just do this step. What is the extra part I'm asking? I'm asking only this extra part. N by 2 A plus L. If you have number of terms, you have first term and last term, you can directly find the answer. So 234 is the correct answer. This is clear to everyone now. So 259, 310, so many different answers. X can be 12 also. Yes, X can be 12 also, Ankur. Why can't be 12? X is greater than 11, so it can be 12. So all the values from 12 to 24. I have taken 12 now, included 12. Why 12 is not possible? If X is 12, then summation of these two sides will be greater than the third side. It's valid. Okay. Now I will link this property with obtuse and acute also. But before coming to obtuse or acute, first get this part. Pythagoras. Then we'll come to obtuse and acute. Now we have divided the side based on we have divided the triangle based on sides. The sides based on sides, triangle can be equilateral, triangle can be isosceles, triangle can be scalene. Scalene triangle when all the sides are unequal. Similarly, based on angles, triangles are of three types: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle has to be 90. One angle is equal to 90. In acute angle triangle, all the angles are less than 90. All the angles. And in obtuse angle triangle, one angle has to be more than 90. That everyone knows. What is obtuse, what is acute, what is right angle. Now in case of right angle triangle, we have done a theorem which is called Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is based on right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem says if this side is x, this side is y, and this side is z, then what is the relation between x, y, and z? Everybody knows x square plus y square is equal to z square. Everybody knows what is Pythagoras theorem, I'm sure. X square plus y square is equal to z square. So let's say if I ask you here itself, if in this triangle, right angle triangle, this side it's 15, this side is 39, can you tell me this side? What about this side? Find the length of BC. You have this side, you have this side, find out BC. Who will tell me the answer? Pythagoras theorem. No, Kirtan, it can be 42, na? Which is the longest side of a triangle? Hypotenuse or any other side? If hypotenuse is 39, this side can be 42, Kirtan. No, hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is given as 39. Okay, so if we do it normally, guys, if we do it normally, then we are going to do this calculation. If this is x, this is y, this is z, so we'll find the value of y by doing this. So 39 square minus 15 square, then you have to find 39 square, then 15 square, then all the calculation. But here, what I'm trying to make you understand, learn that, and that is very useful. You need not to solve this kind of calculation if you are able to find Pythagoras triplets. So one word which I have written here, it's triplets. What is that triplets? Learn that. If you know how to find triplets, you need not to calculate these kind of questions, these kind of calculations. Look at here. Pythagoras triplets are those three numbers which satisfy this equation. Those three numbers which satisfy this equation are called triplet. The smallest such triplet is 3, 4 and 5. This is the smallest three number which will satisfy this equation. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. No other smaller number can satisfy this equation. So if we know that 3, 4, 5 is a triplet, all the multiples of 3, 4, 5 will satisfy. 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, 15. All the multiples of 3, 4, 5 will satisfy. 12, 15, 12, 16, 20. All those. So if two sides are given like 12 and 16, you have to just check what is the ratio. The ratio is 3 and 4. So you know the triplet 3, 4, 5. So if this is 4 into 3, this is 4 into 4. So directly you can say this will be 4 into 5. You need not to calculate 12 square plus 16 square. You can directly get the answer. Right? So I'm going to tell you all these triplets. The first triplet is 3, 4, 5. The next triplet is 5, 12, 13. The next triplet is 7, 24, 25. And so on. There are plenty of triplet. You cannot remember all. And all these multiples 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, 15. Here 10, 24, 26. Here 14, 48, 50. So look at here. If I ask you what is the third triplet, you will directly say it is 15, 36 and 39. So here in the previous question I have given this side as 15 and this side is 39, and if you know this is 3 into 5 and this is 3 into 13, it should be clicked that the triplet is 5, 12 and 13. So if you are able to see 5 and 13, your answer should have been directly, that is 5, 12 and 13. So this answer should be direct 36. You need not to calculate anything if you are able to see this triplet. Are you getting it what I'm saying, guys? Triplet meaning, are you getting it? The three numbers which satisfy this equation, and you can find out all these triplet by your own. You need not to remember it. How? Look at the method to finding these triplets by your own. If this side is 3, what you need to do, you need to find the square of 3. The 3 square is 9. What is half of 9? Make it half. The half of 9 is 4.5. First find the square and then make it half. 4.5. Now 4.5 is nothing. The other two side will be 4 and 5. So the first triplet which is coming out to be 3, 4, 5. If you have one side, you can find the other two side straight away. If one side is 5, find the square of 5. That is 25. Make it half. Half of 25 is 12.5. Now 12.5 is nothing. The other two side are 12 and 13. So the triplet is 5, 12, 13. Similarly, all. If one side is 7, 7 square is 49. Make it half, 24.5. So other two side will be 24 and 25. So if I ask you if one side is 11, can you quickly tell me what are the other two sides? You will always get decimal shaker. No, 9 is not prime, Kavishi. 9 is prime. So even it is applicable on 9 also. 9 square is 81. Half of 81 is 40.5. The other two side will be 40 and 41. So not only prime, all the odd numbers. No, Chandrakamal, it's 59, 61, it's wrong. Ravina, it's wrong. It is 16, 61. Why 65? Yeah. 11 square. 11 square is 121. Make it half, 60.5. So other two side will be 60 and 61. Straight away. So triplet will be 11, 60, 61. Not 30, 31 current. It's 60, 61. Why 30, 31? 11 square is 121. 121 half is 60.5. So if 60.5, the other two side will be 60 and 61. But notice it, one thing, I have taken first side as an odd number. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. If the first side is even, how will you calculate? Let's say first side is 6. The method is slightly different. Tripjot, we are coming for even number as well. If the first side is 12 or 6, how will you find the other two sides? If one side is 6, first make it half. 3, then square, reverse. In the odd number, first we were doing the square and then we were making it half. In case of even, first I'm making it half, then square. Half of 6 is 3, 3 square is 9. Now 9 is nothing. One side is less than 9 and one side is more than 9. So other side is 8 and 10. 6, 8 and 10. If one side is 10, first find the half of 10. Half of 10 is 5. Square of 5 is 25. Now 25 is nothing. One side is less than 25. One side is more than 25. So other two sides are 24 and 26. All these triplets. 14. Half of 14 is 7. 7 square is 49. The other two side will be 48 and 50. All these numbers. So for case of even, yes, anything. For 8 also. Make it half. 8, Sandeep. 4 square is 16. Now 16 is nothing. It is 15 and 17. So this is the triplet. 8, 15 and 17. You can check it. If the two sides are 8 and 15 and third side is 17, is it satisfying the Pythagoras triplet? Yes, it is satisfying. 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225, 64 plus 225 is 289. So any side. For 4 you will get 3 and 5, Nitin. Again you will get the same triplet. For 4 you will get 3 and 5. 4 ka half, 2. 2 square, 4. The two side will be 3 and 5. One side is 12. One side is 12. Then either you will get this triplet 4 times and you will get one more triplet with 12. 6. 6 square is 36. The other two side will be 35 and 37. सारे करवाओगे क्या? One side is 15. Anas, if one side is 15, first find the square 225. Half is 112.5. The other two side will be 112 and 113. This is the case when you are taking the smallest side. So there are two triplet. If one of the side is 15, you will get one triplet based on its own side, and one you will get the multiple of that 5. And that is a suggestion, or that is the main thing you need to remember, that you cannot find the other two side based on one side. You cannot say if one side is 3, can you tell me the other two sides? Can you tell me the other two side if one side is 3? Okay, can you tell me the other two side quickly? Can you say it is 4 and it is 5? No, you cannot say. That's what I'm saying. No, that is wrong. Who told you that other two sides are integers? Why can't I take this side as 3 and this side as 5 and this side as root 34? What is wrong in that? You cannot find the other two side based on one of the side. You can apply that Pythagoras triplet when two sides are given. If I have given this side as 3 and this side as 5, then this side cannot be anything else except 4. Now you can apply 3, 4, 5. Are you getting it? What I'm trying to make you understand, guys? Pythagoras triplet is useful and helpful when two sides are given. You cannot apply for one side. If one side is given as 15, you cannot find the other two side. But if I've given this side as 15 and this side as 25, then definitely you can find this side. Now tell me, what about this side? Right? Tell me this side. Why itna time? 20. Bilkul. This is 5 into 3. This is 5 into 5. So 3, 4, 5 triplet. So 5 into 4 straight away 20. Clear now? This is the use. Apurv. If this side is 9, this side is 41, and if you do not know the rule, can you tell me the third side quickly? If you do not know that rule, but if you have that rule, if you know that smallest side is 9, you can quickly find the other two side. 81, 81 by 2 it's 40.5. So now you know the other two side has to be 40 and 41. If one side is given as 41, you can quickly write this side as 40. If I don't tell you that rule, how can you find this side quickly 40? Can you remember all the triplets? Apurv, there is a use. Okay, one more thing. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पढ़ा है थोड़ा सा भूल गए हो ट्रिगो साइन कॉस अरे if one of the side is given and one of the angle is given, this is right angle triangle. Now you can find the other two side based on one side because one angle is also given. If you remember, you have read it, sine theta is equivalent to perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So if you know this angle is 30 degree and if you have hypotenuse is given in the question, you can find the perpendicular. Sine 30. Sine 30 is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given as 10. And sine 30, I'm sure you know. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is half. So you can find the value of P, that is 5. And once you have this side, once you have this side, now you can either find with the help of Pythagoras or you can use cos. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is base by hypotenuse, which is 10. And cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So base comes out to be 5 root 3. So this side is 10, this side is 5, this side is 5 root 3. This you need to do. Bhaskar, the question is not clear. When do you use multiple of triplets and when do you use rule method? What is the question? When one angle is given and one side is given, we can apply either sine cos or look at here what I'm trying to make you understand. You need not to do this much now. This is very important thing which I'm telling you just now. If one of the angle is 90 and one of the angle is 30, this triangle will become a 30 60 90 triangle because the third angle automatically will become 60. So this is called a 30 60 90 triangle, guys. Very commonly used triangle. 30 60 90. In 30 60 90 triangle, the side ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. The side ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. You need not to apply sine cos now. Which side I have given? This side I have given. So 90, the side in front of 90, it's 2. So 2 denotes 10. If 2 denotes 10, 1 will denote 5 and root 3 will denote 5 root 3. So your answer is straight. The side in front of 30 degree will be 5 and side in front of 60 degree will be 5 root 3 without applying the sine cos rule. This is your answer straight away. This part is clear to everyone? Any doubt in this? What I'm saying, if triangle is 30, 60, 90, you need not to apply the sine cos. You can directly apply that rule that side ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. No one has one side. I told you na triplet apply one के लिए होगा ही नहीं पहली बात तो. If one of the side is given, you cannot find a triplet until and unless the question is said that sides are integers. Do not mix triplet with other things. If this side is 10 and other two sides are integers, triplet is useful for integer na. So if other two sides are integer, then the side has to be 6 and 8 only. Right? If it is not given integer, you cannot apply the triplet. Triplet में बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, triplet you will apply when two sides will be given. Now the third side has to be 8 only. Here one angle is given, one side is given, you need to find the other two sides. Then you have to find out with the help of sine cos, or otherwise remember that ratio. Now let's see who will tell me. This side is 12. Tell me the length of AC and BC quickly. कितना टाइम? 30, 60, 90 triangle. 10-second question. AC and BC both. No, it's not 24 Mehak. Wrong. Look at the side. Which angle is given and which side is given? No, those who are getting 24, they are wrong, guys. 24 is none of the side. This time I have given this angle is 60 and this angle is 30. No Tripjot. How can 3 and 6 is possible? AC you are taking 3 and BC you are taking 6. Is it possible? Apurv, dear, how many times I have to repeat this thing that if one side is given, you cannot find the other two side until and unless it is not mentioned that other two sides are integers. How can you take 35 and 37? How many times I have to take? I have to tell you. Okay, look at here. What did I just tell you? I tell you that you have to use 30, 60, 90 triangle. The side ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Which side is given this time? The side in front of 60 is given. So which out of these three, which ratio is given in the question? 1 is given or root 3 is given or 2 is given? Which is given? Root 3 is given. Na? The side in front of 60 is given. So root 3 denotes 12. If root 3 denotes 12, 1 will denote 12 by root 3. If root 3 denotes 12, 1 will denote 12 by root 3. What is 12 by root 3? 4 root 3. If this is 4 root 3, then 2 will be 8 root 3. That is the question, yaar. 30 के सामने वाली 4 root 3, 90 के सामने वाली 8 root 3. So AC will be 8 root 3 and BC will be 4 root 3. Why so many different answers? Now it is clear. ये बहुत काम आने वाला है आगे. 30, 60, 90 triangle. Anurag, what is not clear in that? The angle given as 60, the side given as 12. The angle 60 denotes root 3. The ratio is root 3. So here root 3 denotes 12. If root 3 denotes 12, 1 will denote 12 by root 3. And how do you write 12 by root 3? 12 is 4 into 3 divided by root 3. So what do you get? 1 denotes 4 root 3. If 1 denotes 4 root 3, then 2 will be double of that. 2 will be 8 root 3. So 30 denotes 1 and here 1 denotes 4 root 3. So 90 के सामने वाला it will denote 8 root 3. And remember one more ratio, that is 45, 45, 90 triangle. The ratio is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. These two triangles are commonly used. 45, 45, 90 and 30, 60, 90. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. This is clear to everyone. You will remember it now. Okay. So I think आज के लिए काफी. I am not adding obtuse and acute. Otherwise you will mix up everything. I'm giving you certain questions. You should try it. Yes, it is enough. I can understand. Geometry is again tough thing, guys. Geometry is not easy. So except question number 3, you should try all. Except question number 3, because it is based on obtuse angle, you should try all the questions. You should be able to do all. Okay. So in the next class, first I'll discuss these 4 questions. Take a snapshot of these 5 questions. Except third, you should be able to do all the remaining 4. And then we'll link with obtuse and acute in the next class. And my general suggestion is that you should at least go through with NCERT books of 9th and 10th class. It is very helpful, right, for even CAT geometry. The most of the things which are done it's not more than 9th, 10th class. So if books are available, kindly go through. Otherwise, I'll go through. I'll start with basics and then I'll proceed. Things are clear. Most of the things I'm sure are clear. You are mixing that triplet wala part. Thank you, Anas. Chalo guys, see you in the next class. Maybe next week I'll take 2 sessions. I'll take triangles and 2 more sessions of triangles only. So might be we'll finish triangle in the next week. Okay? Chalo. See you. Good night. Bye bye.